Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Metallurgical Engineering. In this video, we are going to see the list of best books for GATE MT 2025 for Metallurgical Engineering. So basically, in GATE MT, we have total 7 sections like physical metallurgy, metallurgical thermodynamics, transport phenomena and rate processes, mineral processing and extractive metallurgy, manufacturing processes and mechanical metallurgy, and finally we have engineering mathematics. Now we will look into metallurgical thermodynamics. So the important topics which you have to you have to look into this is like law of thermodynamics, first law, second law, enthalpy, gives free energy, Maxwell relation, chemical potential, application to metallurgical system, solution, ideal and regular solution, gives phase rule, which is very important. This you should definitely look into this. And another important thing is free energy versus composition diagram, and another important thing is Illingham Illingham diagram. And also for electrochemistry thing, you have to look into single electrode potential, electrochemical cells, Nernst equation and potential pH diagram. So which book you should prefer for metallurgical thermodynamics? So here we have listed these books. The first one is Textbook of Materials and Metallurgical Thermodynamics by Ahindra Ghosh. And for numerical problem, you can look into this book, Metallurgical Thermodynamics, Kinetics and Numericals by Dr. S.K. Datta. Another book which if you are interested into if you are going into deep, so you can go for this. Another is Introduction to Thermodynamics by this one, David R. Gaskell. So this book, if you are interested to read more about this, but these these two books are very much sufficient. But yeah, you can look into this one also. For transport phenomena and rate processes, these are the syllabus for this, like a momentum transfer, heat transfer, this convection, radiation, mass transfer, dimensional analysis, basics law of chemical kinetics. So in this, if I can suggest some important topic like this conduction, convection and radiation, so there will be one numerical from this topic. Another one is Fick's law, and another one you can say that from this Arrhenius equation, Arrhenius relation, and basic law of chemical kinetics. So these are the few important topics which you should read. Book for this, I would suggest these two books. So the first one is by Transport Phenomena by R.B. Bird, and another one you can look into this Springer, Transport of Phenomena in Material Processing. Now come to the this next topic, which is mineral processing and extractive metallurgy. So for this, the syllabus is like that. For mineral processing, the important topic, we can say that size classification, flotation, gravity, and other method of mineral this beneficiation, agglomeration, sintering, pelletizing, and briquetting. And then in iron steel making, you have this one. Then again, primary steel making, blast furnace, basic oxygen furnace, electric arc furnace. In secondary steel making processes, and then finally continuous casting. So these are the syllabus which you should refer. So for this, the important book is first one by again Iron and Steel Making by Ahindra Ghosh and Amit Chatterjee. I have suggested the book in thermodynamics also. So Ahindra Ghosh has written this thermodynamic book also. So you can read about this. And also in this book you can get some numerical problem as well for the extractive metallurgy. So this I would I would recommend this book. But for theoretical aspects, you can also look into the this modern iron making by R.H. Tupkari and modern steel making by R.H. Tupkari. So for the you can say for theoretical portion, these two book is very good. For numerical portion, this iron making and steel making by this Ahindra Ghosh is very good. And also you can look into the NPTEL videos. For steel making, you can look into Deepak Majumdar, Professor Deepak Majumdar from IIT Kanpur. And for iron making, I think there is one professor from IIT Kharagpur, or I think IIT Madras. I'll write in the this description sections to look into. Now for so this is for ferrous metallurgy, which you have seen prior. But for extraction of non-ferrous metals by HS ray, this book is very important. And another thing, I think the NPTEL lecture is also there for this from this HS ray. So these two things you can follow. For alternate methods of iron making by Professor Sujoy Kumar Datta, this you can also refer. So this book is very much sufficient for extractive metallurgy part. And another one for mineral processing by VA Wills. This one you can look, or yeah, for this mineral processing and technology. Usually the question is very simple for this one, so you don't need to go through in this book either way. Last 20 to 25 years a question paper, if you can read, that is very much sufficient for a mineral processing part. Now come to a physical metallurgy portion. So in physical metallurgy, various books are available. So this is the syllabus. It has like this chemical bonding, ionic, covalent, metallic and secondary bonding, crystal structure, polymers, X-ray diffraction. In X-ray diffraction, you have Bragg's law, optical metallography, and principle of SEM imaging. Then you have a crystal imperfection, point, line, surface defect, a coherent, semi-coherent, and incoherent interfaces. Then you have a diffusion in solid, in which you have a diffusion equation, steady state, and error function solutions. Examples: homogenization and carburization, Kirkendall effect, this uphill diffusion, like that. And then comes to the phase transformation, in which you have the homogeneous and heterogeneous nucleation, growth kinetics, solidification in isomorphous eutectic peritectic system, cast structures, microsegregation, dendritic solidification, constitutional supercooling, coring, and microsegregation. And then comes to the solid state transformation, in which you have precipitation, spinodal decomposition, ordering, this massive transformation, discontinuous precipitation, and then you have heat treatment. So overall, for physical metallurgy portion, the important books are by Introduction to Physical Metallurgy by Owner. So this one you can refer, and then another one by B. Raghavan, and then read it. So these three books are very important. You can also refer Physical Metallurgy by Bijender Singh. So for theoretical portion, or you can say numerical portion, this book is a must. This is highly recommended. And another one is Callister, which you have, which you already know, that is Material Science and Engineering by Callister, and also this Material Science by B. Raghavan. So these 5 books are sufficient for physical metallurgy. You don't need to go to other things. And also the questions, the questions are very easy in case of physical metallurgy as compared to extractive and thermodynamics part. Now come to the mechanical metallurgy. So the syllabus are like that. You have a strain tensor, stress tensor, representation of Mohr circle, elasticity, stiffness and compliance tensor, yield criteria, plastic deformation by slip and tuning. Then you have dislocation theory, strengthening mechanism, fracture behavior, in which the Griffith theory, which is very important. And another thing is fatigue. Yeah, either one numerical or one theoretical question you will definitely get from fatigue. And then you have a mechanism of high temperature deformation, that is creep and stress rupture, like that. So the book, in this case, I highly suggest only one book which is sufficient for this, that is George E. Dieter, this mechanical metallurgy. Another book is also there, Mechanical Behavior and Testing of Materials, which is by A.K. Bhargava and C.P. Sharma. But this book is sufficient if you can go through it. And also you will get some kind of, some manufacturing portions are also there in the end of this book, like forging, extrusion, metal a metal drying, these kind of things also you will get it with detailed theoretical as well as numerical course. Now comes to the manufacturing processes. The syllabus are like this: metal casting, hot, warm, and cold working metals, in which you have rolling, forging, extrusion, wire drying, sheet metal drying, metal joining, a principle of soldering, brazing, and then a building metallurgy, defects in welded joints in steels and aluminum alloys, powder metallurgy, another aspect, and non-destructive testing. So for this, I would suggest Manufacturing Processes by Kalpagian. So this book is highly recommended for manufacturing processes. For building metallurgy, you can uh, look into this book. This is this is one of the highly recommended book for the building metallurgy by Sindoku. And for non-destructive testing, I would suggest you can look into your library that ASM handbook by this volume 17, which is having non-destructive evaluation and quality control. So if you need any kind of help in finding these books, you can write an email to us. Finally, engineering mathematics. So the syllabus are like this: linear algebra, calculus, spectral. So you can get 10 to 12 marks from engineering mathematics. So yeah, if you want to be like in the ray, if you want to go to close to 60 to 70 marks, so this is useful to achieve around 7 to 8 marks from engineering mathematics. So the syllabus are like linear algebra, calculus, spectral calculus, differential equation, probability and statistics, numerical methods. Which books you can refer into this? So Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.S. Grewal, and this one Advanced Engineering Mathematics, and H.K. Das Advanced Engineering Mathematics. So either book you can, any of these book you can follow it. Now comes to the another aspect, like where we can get the previous year question papers. So the previous year question papers, I would suggest there are various there are various books nowadays this coming for metallurgical engineering. I would suggest you can buy this one, Arihant publication. See, you cannot get a detailed solution, but yeah, this book is like, if you can say, 140 or 160 rupees, and this book is good. They have the answer key and these kind of things. But if you want some detailed this explanation, or you can say more number of questions, then this book by GKP publication, you can go through and buy this book. Only the problem with this, the cost of this book is around 600 rupees. So I would suggest this Arihant publication, you can buy it, and also you can download the question paper and answer key from the official website of GATE 2025, that is organized by IIT Roorkee. And also we are going, we have uploaded the full solution of GATE 2020, 2019 and 2018. So these 3-year question paper, the full solution, you can find it out on our YouTube channel. And also we are going to try to upload 2021, 2022 to 2024. So this 4-year we are planning to upload it on our YouTube channel. And yes, so these two books I would suggest that. But yeah, other books are also there, from other sources. If you wanted to know, you can email us. I will try to let us know. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any question related to GATE preparation, the strategy and anything, you can DM us on our Instagram. We are 24/7 there, so you can message us there. And if you have any doubts regarding GATE examination, please DM us or please comment us here. We will try to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.